Hola, it's your VA Ate in Spain, and I wanted to answer this question because I feel like it's a question that has never been asked before here, and it's about daw sa mga tao na mix yung niche nila. What if you have a very different job title for your different clients? How do you make sure that you're still qualified for the digital nomad visa? So if you need both your data analyst and bookkeeping job to reach the minimum income requirement, first and foremost, ang magiging tanong dyan is, ano yung gagamitin mo? Na parang degree ba or work experience? So if gagamitin mo kasi yung degree, maybe you have operations manager degree or parang somewhere in business, then eto, medyo ano kasi yun medyo general yung business, diba? So, pwede mo siya i-connect both sa data analyst job and bookkeeping job mo. However, if gagamitin mo yung work experience and you don't have 3 years for both being a data analyst and a bookkeeper, then medyo magkakaroon ka ng problem. What I suggest you do and what I tell people to do then on the free consultation calls that I give is that make sure na general umbrella term yung gamitin mo. Like, something around maybe executive assistant, virtual assistant, ganun. Para hindi na nila masyadong tignan yung difference ng ginagawa mo both sa data analyst and bookkeeping. Kasi technically, yung job roles mo, are very like different. So of course this would also depend kung gaano ka okay yon with your clients, but definitely I've never seen someone na nag-apply with different niches, like ganito kalayo yung niche, kasi ayun nga, parang very nitpicky sila, not only sa mga walang degree but also to make sure na yung verifiable yung work experience mo. I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching. If you need any clarification, just leave a comment down below, and thank you so much. Ciao.